Alright guys, so as expected, today Apple has released the fourth beta for their next major update set to be coming to the iPhone here soon. iOS 26.5 Developer Beta 4 is now officially available to download to registered developers and of course public beta testers. As per usual, you most likely see this populate for you within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now the download for the fourth beta, as you can see right here, is nearly 13 gigabytes here on this iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now for some reason on this iPhone it was a large size of a download, which hints at this could very well be the final beta before the RC and then official release. Now, we'll talk about the expected release date here for iOS 26.5, but again, the fourth beta, as you can see right here, now officially available to registered developers. Now, let's head on over into settings, general, about, and take a look at the latest iOS build number, as you can see right here. So if we tap, you see there, the build number ends with the letter B, as you can see right there. So iOS 26.5, the letter B towards the end of that build number. Now, typically when we see the letter B instead of the letter A, it means we still might have another beta, but Apple sometimes goes from B to RC to official release. Again, we'll talk about the expected release date here shortly. Now, the first thing I do want to mention that after updating to iOS 26.5, everything feels as expected. I haven't noticed any overheating, any crashes, or any slowdown or hiccups so far within this latest beta over the past 2 hours that I've had this beta installed on this device. Now, keep in mind, aside from iOS 26.5 Developer Beta 4, Apple also released iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, HomeOS, tvOS, and visionOS 26.5 Developer Beta 4, all available to download as of today. Now, you may take a look here at some of the latest build numbers. For example, watchOS and visionOS do have the letter A towards the end of the build number. However, iPadOS and iOS have the letter B towards the end of the build number. Either way, let's talk about what's new. Now, as you may or may not know, Apple is currently working on a new wallpaper collection and new Pride watch face collection called Luminous. Now, as of the latest beta for iOS 26.5, if we take a look at the latest wallpapers, we do not have the new wallpaper collection just yet. It appears that Apple will be waiting to the official release or perhaps the RC to make this new wallpaper collection available alongside the new watch faces, again Luminance, said to be coming with iOS 26.5, but yet no signs point to this beta having this new wallpaper available. Again, if you want to try the new wallpaper that's set to be launching with iOS 26.5, I'll link it right here. It is. I'll link it in the description and down below. Now, I also want to shift my attention over to performance. I know a lot of you guys are asking, how's the performance on this latest beta? And you see here the single core score and the multi-core score are looking pretty solid here. 3,145 single core score and a 9,754. Very similar to iOS 26.4, 26.4.1, and 26.4.2 in terms of overall performance. So hopefully this will continue and translate over to the official final release of iOS 26.5, which brings me to the final topic. When will Apple release this new software update? Well, if history is any indication, last year with iOS 18.5, we saw 4 betas, RC, then official release. If history was to repeat itself, the RC for iOS 26.5 will most likely happen in next week on May 4th, and the official release, again, if history was to repeat itself, on Monday, May 11th. Now, typically we see major software updates or larger software releases on Mondays, so my money is on Monday, May 11th for the official release, RC next week, and then we'll see the official final release for iOS 26.5. I already talked about the battery life. If you didn't catch that video, I'll link it down below. Excellent battery life here as well. So there you guys have it. Just a quick update. iOS 26.5 Developer Beta 4 is now officially available. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.